Hello, hi everyone. I'm Sarath. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss one scenario-based topic. Like for example, we are having forecasted sales and the actual sales here. Till today is 19th July. So after 19th July, so whatever forecasted sales is there, that I need to add it up with the actual sales. I need to show the sales and forecast at one column. So for example, I am having the actual sales till today, till 19th July 2025. Today is 19th July. So I am having the actual sales is coming on. And the forecasted sales what I have received from the forecasted model that data science team has been provided. That is there in another column that is called forecasted cell, which is having some on a higher side, some maybe on lower side, but there is a separate forecasted cells in available. But I do not want the forecasted cell to be for example, I want to show in a line chart. Okay, so the actual cell should be in one and the forecasted should be in another line. That should be not the case. I want to show in one line chart where, where whatever forecast actual cell is till today is there, it should show, and after that the forecasted should be taken as a separate. It should be added up after that, so that the cells and forecasted I'll get the entire data set I can show in a one line chart. Okay, this is my use case. So how I can do that? So for example, I need to I need to find out what is the latest sales date. For example, in July 19th is the latest sales has been updated in my system. So that date we need to capture first. So and after that date, whatever data is available in the sales forecasted, that we need to take into a variable, that will be our forecasted sales, and whatever sales before that transaction date, last transaction date, that will be our actual sales, and then we can combine both the things in one place. Okay, so this is the scenario where we can start now. Okay, so if I am going to here, we can see there is a year and month is there, and forecasted cell I have calculated, actual cell is there, and sales and forecast. Okay, so how this actual sales is calculated? This is just simple, the sum of the actual sales whatever it is available. Okay, and what is this forecasted cell? Forecasted cell is nothing but the total of forecasted sales. I am just summing up the total here. Okay, so whatever total forecasted cell I am taking into one measure, that is forecasted cell. Whatever actual is available till 19th July, that is taken as summing of that as actual sales. Okay, so if I am going here and there is a sales and forecast. Okay, so sales and forecast measure, let's go to that and see how it is created. So first I need to bring this last cells. Okay, so before doing this, let us do one thing. Let us do 1 minute. So let us I just comment all this code. Okay, for better understanding. So let me comment everything. Okay, this is all the codes has been committed. So last sales date I'm capturing. How it is calculated? What is the maximum sales date, and where the sales value is not blank in the actual sales column. Okay, in the actual sales column, wherever it is not blank, let's see here. So in the actual sales column, where it is not blank, and what is the maximum sales date? Okay, is not blank. Okay, is blank and is not I have added not into that, and I have removing all the filters. Okay, so I'm applying all removing all the filters, so that it will be it will be shown for all. Okay, so I am removing all the whatever selections there, I have removed them. So then here not is blank cells, that is my last sales date. Okay, and the maximum data I am capturing. Okay, for example, here in actual sales, the last sales maximum sales date will be 19th July. Okay, and that is because on the 19th July my last transaction was happened, that I am taking care of here in this variable, that is the latest sales date. Once I get this, let us return this one. Okay. First I need to let us comment all these things, and comment this one also, and let us return only our last sales date. You can see it is coming 19th July. The 19th July is the my last sales date. Okay, that's why I have created this one. This one I have created to show the last, to capture the last sales date. Then what I'll do, one by one, we can see how we can do that. Okay, let us create one variable that is called result. Okay, I will do this like here, like this already I have here. It is, I do not write here, so it is variable result, and let us remove the comment here. Okay. Okay, so if the maximum cells is greater than my last cells, then that will be my forecasted cells or my actual cells. If I am using this variable, I think it should be work fine. Let's see, because if I have added a condition, if my cell state is greater than my latest cell state, that is the actual cell state, last transaction date, then it will be, if it is greater than, then I'll capture my forecasted cells, otherwise I'll capture my actual cells. If I am returning this one, this result one, how it happens, let's see. So see, the thing is, it is capturing very well. For example, in the actual cells, it is 127 for September 2024. For October, it is showing 93901, and the last one is C on July. It is not, it may be because still 19th is there. After 19th, it is taking the forecasted. See here, 98201 is the actual cells is showing here, but after that it is taking 97621. It is fine. If you see the last at the end, the sum is different. The sum is showing 3552726, whereas it is similar to my forecasted cells. See my forecasted cells, the sum is also same. So it is not working. The summation is not working. The sum is similar to my forecasted cell. It is not changing. Okay, though my actual cells are coming, but my the summation is not coming fine. Okay, so this is not working fine. So let us comment this one. In this way, if you do, it will be wrong. Okay, so it will not work. The summation will not come. Then another approach, forecasted cells we can take in a separated variable, and we can take and you can do that. Otherwise, like this one, just take the variable that is the actual cells line by line. Actual cells is nothing by my measure that I have created actual cells. Okay, that is fine. Nothing will be changed there. And for forecasted cells, so this is the measure. We need to see how it is created. Okay, so two way we can do that. One first way, it is just doing the filter condition I have applied here. Okay, so see here, see this part only, the forecasted cells one. So calculating the forecast, and I am filtering out the cells, the cells date where the cells, the table I am filtering out, forecast cells table where the cells date is greater than the last transaction date. That I am taking, calculating the cells, and I am saving that into a variable that is the forecasted cells. Okay, and what I am returning, I will return something like this, not result here. I'll return actual versus actual plus forecast. Okay. If I am doing this way, let's see it is working fine or not. Yes, it's now it is working fine. See, the total has been changed and the values are here also changed. Sales forecast, the forecasted sales is sales and forecast. The actual numbers are coming here. For example, in June it was 98201 actual and forecasted is 99183. The actual is coming 98201. 132910 for May. Actual is coming 132910. It is perfectly working fine. And the forecasted value is coming from forecasted table. Now you can see 60,938, 60,938, like this way. And the summation is getting changed. So the forecasted was on a higher side, 3552, whereas the actual and forecast, if added up, it is coming 353. Okay, so 3533. So this way it is working fine. Another way also you can do, just instead of doing this filter condition, filtering the table with this condition, what I can do, I can use another measure that is called keep filter. Okay, same way it will work. So let us do this way. So this calculate I am just removing. Okay, not remove, just let me comment it. Okay, so I am commenting it and I am just removing the comments from this one. So see, the calculate here, what we have done, just do the, we have done a filter condition here, filtering the table with this condition. Without doing that, writing this also you can do this keep filters measure. Keep filters, whatever the sales date is greater than this transaction, just add that condition, whatever we have done in filter, in the filter measure, that condition also just to mention that condition and add the key filters and calculate the whatever the forecasted. So I am calculating and filtering out this one. So and returning same forecasted plus actual. So there will be no changes, same thing it will show. So in this way you can do this sales and forecast. Okay, I think this is pretty much clear how can do adding of sales and forecast. Okay, so this is one way. This is the one scenario. Today I'll give another scenario in another video. Just after this video I'm uploading that. But another most important thing I think you must learn, like for example, I am all these page, you can say pages are available. One is sparkline, one is tooltip which is hidden, then filter parameter, all these things we have learned, and it is there in different pages in Power BI desktop. So I want navigation, like for example, if I am trying to move from this page to this page and this page to this page, how I can do that? I want a navigation. Okay, there is people used to do like using the cards, they used to add some images and like that way, and then do the bookmark, like to that page bookmarking, and they'll navigate from one page to another page, and it will take too much time to design all those things. Okay, there is another simple way how you can do that. Let me show you. Okay, so inside this insert option, so there is a called, you can say, navigator option is available. Once you click on the navigator and page navigator, once you click it, it will show in this way. Okay, and you can design it. Now all the pages are come here like in this way. If you want to navigate to anyone, just click it, it will go to there. But I do not want in this way, rather I want that in a proper format, proper design. I need to design them. Okay, let me move all these filters from here. Okay, so let me move this filter to right hand side, create some space. Okay, I want to create this navigation, see, go to this one, the format navigator, how to format all those things. So there is a option, show hidden pages or tooltip, and all those options are there. So for example, I do not want to show the tooltips, it should be off. Show the hidden pages, no, I do not want to show the hidden pages. And yeah, I can click, or you cannot click, you cannot on off, as you wish, you can do that. Show all by default, this is also available. Okay, and the shape is there, like what type of shape you can do, then rotation you can do, rotate it. Okay, and this is uh, different different pages are there. Which page you do not want to show, you can on and off. Okay, for example, these two pages I do not want to navigate, I do not want art in my navigation, I can put that show on and off. Similarly, there is a grid layout, that means it is in now in a horizontal way. I want to show that is in a vertical way. Okay, so now it will show in a vertical way, like this way. You can just make it like this way, and just keep on the right hand side. Okay, and whatever padding you can do, the gap between, uh, if I want to add one, it will be uh, less padding between the tabs. Okay, and you can do the design like, let me bring it to front, bring it to the front. Okay, bring to front, and add one another image like step. Okay, so here I am adding one another step. Let me make the color lighter. Okay, and let us show here this color, and make it just move it to the back. Okay, send to back. Now see, if I am click to any of the page I want to navigate, it is navigating here. Okay, and you can see, you can do this. For example, sparkline I am going to, I have gone here. Also same thing you can copy paste here. Where we have done that one, I think we have created here in dynamic ranking. Okay, so in this way you can do. For example, I want to copy both things, I want to paste. I do not want to make all these things, just arrange all these things and make copy and paste here, copy and paste here. Okay, so automatically, see, we are in 40 parameter page and it is getting highlighted. Okay, with black and white color. Similarly, I want to go here, here also I need to add. Okay, here also I need to add. Okay, in this way you can do. Okay, and whatever, wherever you can go, in all pages I need to add, and just do the arrangements. Okay, little bit like this way. Do the little bit arrangements, all those pages, and paste it at this place. Okay, similar to type we do not want. Also this one we can do. Okay, so move towards a little bit right, everything you can move towards right and paste it. Okay, yeah, you can move further right, here, further right. Okay, so you can do this way. Field parameter also you can do. So for example, I want to go to field parameter, this one is not there. For example, I want to go to the dynamic ranking, I can move here. I can go to sparkline and I can go here. I want to go Cox one, Cox is there. So in this way you can navigate. So frequently within 1 minute I have created this page navigation. Okay, thank you so much for watching my this video. Hope this will help you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.